Jai Hind friends, you know very well after end of the financial year you need to file income tax return and you need to inform the income tax department and the government that I have earned that much income and that much tax I have to pay. So income tax form need to decide according to your income. So for financial year 24-25, assessment year 25-26, today we are going to file ITR-2 form live, practically and step by step, in which you can show your salary or pension income. If you are having income from rental income, suppose if you are have any home or any shop, one or more than one, then you can show rental income in ITR-2. Apart from that, if you are having any share market, long term or short term investment, capital income, capital gain, if you are having any mutual fund income, if you are having any gaming income, cryptocurrency income, if you are having any agriculture income, any part-time income, say saving interest, FD interest, or any freelancing income, then all the income can be shown in ITR-2 apart from the future and option and intraday income. So today we are going to file ITR-2. Friends, for ITR-2 filing, if you are having any doubt, query, question, feel free to ask in comment box. If you want to take any professional help, then you can call, message or WhatsApp us. So friends, to file ITR-2 you need to visit incometax.gov.in on your laptop, computer or mobile. You know very well, if you are having any long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain, any gaming income, virtual digital assets, cryptocurrency, so you have to file ITR-2. If you are coming to this website first time or you have not registered yet, so you need to register first, otherwise you need to click on the login button. Now here it will ask you to enter your user ID, so you can use your PAN number, either PAN or either Aadhaar. After putting PAN or Aadhaar, you need to click on the continue button. Now you need to click on this checkbox and you have to mention your password here. If you don't remember your password, just click on the forget password and by using Aadhaar OTP you can change your password. After putting your password, just click on the continue button. Now your income tax portal will look like this. Before moving further, you need to check AIS, TIS and form 26AS. Apart from that, you must have download your broker's report. Sometime we call it P&L account, tax P&L, profit and loss account, whatever the name, but we need entire sale amount or entire purchase amount to calculate over income tax, profit and loss account. So calculate over capital gain. Now click on the AIS button. It will take you to the new website. Now again you need to click on the AIS button. Here you need to select financial year 24-25. Now click on the TIS, which is taxpayer information summary. Now any transactions you did through your PAN number like saving interest, FD interest, share market, crypto, mutual fund, GST, whatever transaction you did here, it will be shown here. So make sure to incorporate all the transactions in your income tax return. Secondly, e-file income tax return. Now you have to click on the view form 26A. Anyone deducted your TDS if you have submitted form 15G or 15H, it will be shown here. Click on the I agree, click on the proceed, view tax credit. Now assessment year will be 25-26. Click on the HTML, click on the view download button. So any TDS deducted will be shown here. You have given form 15G, 15H will be shown here. Any TCS collected, any reportable transactions will be shown here. So make sure all the transactions must include your income tax return. Now one more thing we need to check, we need to clarify. I already told you profit and loss account means your tax P&L, what income you have earned. Suppose here you will be able to see realized P&L. If you are having any intraday transactions or any future and option transactions, then ITR-2 cannot be filed. In this case, ITR-3 need to file. In our case, we have only short-term capital gain. But don't worry, we will explain all about long-term, short-term equity shares or any equity oriented mutual fund, any debt mutual fund. Now what you need to calculate here, total buy value. We have already highlighted it. Total sale value, we have highlighted it, and the difference between sale and purchase, it will be called the capital gain. Now again come on the income tax portal, select assessment year 25-26, click on the online and click on the continue button. Then if you earlier try to file ITR and want to continue that, just click on the resume filing, otherwise start new filing, so you will be able to start filing from beginning. Now select individual and click on the continue button. ITR form 2, ITR 2 we are going to file, proceed with ITR 2. It will show an message that your default tax regime is new tax regime. If you want to take benefit of HRA, LTA, ATC, ATD, then what you have to do, you have to select old tax regime. Opting out in general information, you have to select yes. If you want to go in old tax regime, click on the OK button, click on the let's get started. Now it will ask you to the reason why you are filing your ITR. If your taxable income is more than basic exemption limit, which is 3 lakh, then you need to select this one. If you did these transactions, then need to select accordingly. If you don't know what to select, don't worry, just select the others and click on the continue button. Now you have to select the income schedules, like what kind of income you want to show. If you are having any salary income and you are getting any form 16, so your salary income will come automatically. Any rental income, capital gain, long term or short term capital gain, you need to select this. Apart from that, schedule VDA, virtual digital asset cryptocurrency, we are also going to show you. Now click on the continue button. It will again show you a message that AIS, TIS and form 26AS which you have shown here, it will show all the data pre-filled here. But remember, your long term capital gain or short term capital gain will not come automatically, you have to fill manually. If you want to change any data, you can change, delete or modify accordingly. Click on the OK button. Now step by step we will file ITR 2. First of all, select part A, general information. Here personal information or contact information need not to do anything. Now filing status, you need to click on the filing status. Here it will ask you some questions. Are you filing your return before due date, which is 139.1? If you are filing your ITR before 139.1, now it is asking 115 BSc 6 opting out of new tax regime. What it does mean? If you select the no, it will take you to the new tax regime where you will not get 87A 12,500 rupees rebate against any special rate income. And if you want to go old tax regime, you need to click on the yes button. So we are going to file our ITR in new tax regime. Now residential status will be the resident and the region will be the 182 days. Now in yes or no, most of the answer will be no. If you have any yes answer, then select and feed data accordingly. Now click on the bank details. Every bank account which you have maintained need to select add here by clicking add another. At least one bank account should be nominated for refund or validated for refund. Now click on the confirm button. Now your part A general information has been confirmed. Now we will move further to schedule salary. If you are getting any salary income and you are getting form 16, then your salary will come here automatically. Otherwise click on the gross salary, click on the add another. It will ask you to the address and the nature of employer who is giving you the salary, state government, central government. If you are getting any private income, just click on the others. Now click on the 17.1 add, and now here you have to select the basic salary. Suppose you are getting 20,000 per month, then 2,40,000 income you have to mention here. Now you have to click on the save button. Now after putting your salary income, you will be able to receive 75,000 rupees standard deduction if you have opted a new tax regime, and in old tax regime you have received 50,000 rupees standard deduction. So we have to click on the confirm button. Now income from house property. If you are getting any rental income from any shop or any house, you need to mention here. Otherwise you can leave this income source. Now click on the income from house property. Again click on the add another. Now you have to mention the address of that property. Owner of that property, you are owner of yourself, then click on the self. If there are more than one owner of this property, then click on the yes, otherwise no. House type of the property let out, and tenant detail. Suppose Mr. A, from whom you are getting the rental income, just put the name, PAN number, Aadhaar number is not mandatory. Now you have to mention your rental income. Suppose 1 lakh rupees rental income we are getting, so you will get 30,000 rupees standard deduction in each rental income. Now you have to click on the save button. Now again you have to click on the confirm button. Now your schedules house property is also got confirmed. Now main part of our video, schedule capital gain. If you have earned any capital gain from shares or mutual fund, you need to mention here. And apart from that, you need to fill the table F. We will explain later. Just click on the OK. Now any share you have kept and sold before 12 months, it will be considered as short term capital gain, and after 12 months it will be considered as long term. And apart from shares, if you have any building and any other capital, then it will be considered before 24 months or after 24 months. Now we are going to click on the short term capital gain. Any land and building you have to mention here. And second thing, 111A, equity share or equity oriented mutual fund you have sold before 12 months, you need to mention here. Click on the add another, select 111A. Now what you have to mention, you have to mention full value consideration, means the sale value in the entire year, and the cost of acquisition means the purchase value of entire year. But here you will be able to see two things: transfer before 23rd July or after 23rd July, means on 23rd July 2024. Before this date, the capital gain rate was 15%, and after that capital gain rate became 20%. So you have to mention here or here. If you don't know when you have sold, just better to input all your detail after 23rd July so that you will be on the safer side. Now here the total buy value or total sale value we have to mention here: 69689 and 63941. So after putting the sale value, the purchase value over short term capital gain 5747 is coming automatically. Here you can check approximately amount 5747. But some expenditure you must have incurred to earn this income, like SEBI charges, transaction charges, stamp duty. So entire amount of expenses you can't claim because STT, security transaction tax, is not admissible. Apart from that, 587 rupees expenses you can claim against the short term capital gain income. So here what you need to do, you have to mention here 587. Your overall income will come 5160. Click on the save button. Now your short term capital gain has saved automatically. Apart from that, any debt short term capital gain you need to mention here in the 5 number column. And now we are coming on the long term capital gain, just land and building, any other property. Then what you have to do, you have to select the section 112A, the 4 number, in which equity share or equity oriented mutual fund we have to mention here. Just click on this button, click on the edit button. Now view schedule 11A, click on the add another. Now the shares which you have sold after 12 months, when you have purchased, suppose you have purchased before 31st January, then you need to mention here share wise detail. Otherwise, after 31st January you have any share acquire, then when you have sold, you know very well, before 23rd July the tax rate was 10%, and after 23rd July the tax rate become 12.5%. So if you don't know, better to select after 23rd July. Now here what you have to select, you have to mention the full value of consideration, sale value, purchase value, any expenditure earned to earn this income. Now click on the save button, click on the confirm button. Your long term capital gain also has been saved. Now your short term capital gain was 5160. As I mentioned you earlier, the table F need to be select accordingly, otherwise you will get an error. Now click on this table. Now here you need to mention your special rate income, short term capital gain of 15%, of 20%, any cryptocurrency, any income. So 5160 we have earned, and on which column or which you can say quarter you have earned. So here 5160 we have mentioned here. Just click on the confirm button. Now you can check your capital gain schedule has also been confirmed and along with long term capital gain. If you have sold any cryptocurrency, then you need to click on the schedule VDA. This income is also to be mentioned in table F. Click on the OK, click on the add another. Now entry wise detail you have to mention purchase date, sale date. Now here purchase value, sale value. If you have earned any loss, then you will not get any benefit. If you have earned any income, you have to pay 30% flat tax. Now click on the save button. Now click on the confirm button. Your schedule VDA has also been confirmed. Now schedule other source. In income from other source, you will get two types of income. One income which is normal rate taxable, second income is special rate income, means you are getting any salary, any lottery income. Suppose normal income, here you need to click on the edit button. So any income you can change here, modify here. And if you have earned income from other source, click on the add another. Now nature of income, suppose income from dairy, income from tuition you have earned, just mention the amount and click on the save button. Now if you have earned any special rate income, click on the edit button. Here you need to mention income by way of winning of online games, flat 30% tax you need to pay here. Just click on the save button. Now again click on the confirm button. Now your schedule income from other source has been confirmed already. Detail of income after set off of current year loss. If you are having any loss, suppose, and it is adjustable with any other income, because in the salary only income from house property will be adjustable, so it will show you accordingly any income. Just click on the confirm button. Now next, detail of income after set off of brought forward losses. If you have any earlier year losses, it will get adjusted with the current year's income. Click on the confirm button. Now if you have any losses which are not getting set off, then you can carry forward them for future year. If you have any previous year losses, then you can also mention here manually. Click on the confirm button. Now on the schedule SI, you need not to mention anything. It will show you just income. Schedule 6A, you will not get any deductions and exemptions, is new tax regime. Schedule AMTC is not applicable in your case. It will applicable on income more than 20 lakh. Now part B, TI means total income. Now here you will be able to see salary, rental income, capital gain, other source. Apart from PGBP, business income, every income can be shown here. Now here you can confirm the data after checking it. Now tax is paid. Suppose TDS has been deducted on salary other than salary, form 16B, 16C, TCS collected, advance tax or self-assessment tax. Suppose if your tax is becoming payable, then what you need to do, you need to click on the add another and you have to mention your self-assessment tax. How to pay self-assessment tax? We have created a detailed video already. Just click on the confirm button. Now in the part B, TTI, total taxable income and how much tax you have to pay, it will be shown here. And now it is showing total tax payable, any tax calculation, it will be shown here. Amount payable you have to pay as self assessment tax. Now refund, if you have any TDS or TCS, you will be able to get the refund. Now click on the confirm button, click on the proceed to verification. Now click on this checkbox and input the place from where sitting you are filing this ITR. Click on the proceed to validation. If you will get any error, a list will come here. Just click on that particular error. It will take you to that error and rectify accordingly. Now validation has become successful. Click on the preview button. If you have any error, it will be shown here. Now click on the proceed to validation button. It will again check all the details which you have mentioned in your ITR. Again, your validation has become successful. Now it will ask you to confirm submission of return, and it is also giving a warning. After that, the modification not be allowed. You have to revise your ITR. Now we are going to submit because we are confirmed and submitted successfully. Now you can check your ITR has been successfully submitted and it is validated. And ITR is submitted successfully means when you have to click on the proceed button, you have successfully filed and verify your return, and it will showing a message that you will be notified to this mobile number and this email ID of the further processing. When your ITR get processed, when your ITR refund has been processed, they will notify you. Now you can click on the go to dashboard or download receipt. Receipt is the one page ITR acknowledgement. When we click on the download receipt, it will a single page PDF get downloaded. When we click on this download file, it will be shown like this, that your ITR acknowledgement, and here you will be able to see the assessment year, all the income which you have shown, all the TDS which you have claimed. Means your ITR has been filed. Before filing ITR, please check AIS, TIS and Form 26AS, and you must have your professional CA chartered accountant. You can take any professional services from us by calling, WhatsApp or messaging us. So friends, if you have liked this video, please thumbs up us and please like this video. If you have any doubt, query, question, feel free to comment in comment box and share this video with your near and dear one. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.